One more.
Ahmedabad, Kim Show.
Congratulations on making it to yet another final. I think collectively as a group, it's something that we should be really proud of. It's no mean feat to go back to back in 2 years to get to the final. It's not easy. We all know how much work we have put in throughout the season to get to this stage, and it's now just time to go out there and enjoy that one last game. Going about the game, we can look at individually, so many people stood out, so many people did their jobs. But for me personally, as a collective, I think what we showed out there was something incredible. You know, we spoke about being brave, we spoke about, you know, really throwing that first punch to those guys out there, and I think we did that very well today. And we were straight on them from ball one, and that shows how brave we were, that shows that dog that we are talking about, just going out there and, you know, really putting them on the back foot from the first ball. So that was great to see.
I need to get into my commentator mode. First up, I thought just the intent that boys showed right from the start. Started with Venki, you know, Virat, Dev. So as a collective, it started right there. And then through the middle, we just kept our tempo up. We've seen the graphs in the batting meeting, how we just keep going, and we maintain that. In a big game, a lot of times, sometimes teams take the back foot. I think we have made sure that we have maintained the tempo throughout.
अगर कोई टीम हर बार 230 या 200 प्लस कर रही तो उसमें स्टार्टिंग इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. तो जिस तरह विराट भाई, वेंकी स्टार्टिंग में बैथल था, फिर सॉल्ट स्टार्टिंग में था, फिर अभी वेंकी आया है. देवदत्त का फॉर्म में जो फ्लिक मारता है वो पहली बॉल पे छक्का, मतलब जिस तरह स्टार्ट दे रहे हैं वो एक थोड़ा सा बेस बनता है टीम का, फिर वहाँ से हम उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं. और जैसा मैंने बताया, हर बार मैं बोलता हूँ, इंटरव्यू में बोला मैंने कि मतलब ये टीम किसी एक पर डिपेंड नहीं है, हर कोई आ रहा है वो टीम के लिए कर रहा है, तो एक ये अच्छा पॉजिटिव साइन.
There's obviously one individual that I want to single out, Rajat. It was incredible, the innings that you played. He led from the front, he showed us all how to go about things in such a big game, such a pressure game. He just took them by the horns and completely destroyed them.
दिमाग में कुछ नहीं था मेरा. स्टार्टिंग में वो था कि 8-9 बॉल देखता हूँ क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं, कैसा चल रहा है विकेट, बॉलर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ कौन से एरियाज पे मैं टारगेट कर सकता हूँ, वो था. लेकिन जस्ट उसके बाद जो एक पुल मारा मैंने होल्डर को, वहाँ से थोड़ा और क्लैरिटी मिलते गया कि किस तरह मुझे इनिंग बिल्ड करनी है. और फिर एक टाइम आता है कि उस टाइम आपके दिमाग में कुछ चलता नहीं है, वो सिर्फ ये है कि आप कितना मैक्सिमाइज कर सकते हो. फिर वो मैं माइंडसेट में चले गया थोड़ी देर.
Rajat, that's the Zealand Day play button.
Well done, skipper, great knock, but it was a lot of others who kept chipping in, getting those partnerships, and right to the end, we put the heat on them, and that mattered a lot with the bat. Well done, all the batters. And right from the get-go, there was Virat Kohli who said that our body language needs to be up there, and I think it was as good as it has ever been in the last 6 weeks or 10 weeks that we've been together. We had the attitude to get them out, we got the job done, and I think we pretty much can be very proud of the fact that we almost sealed the game right at the power play itself. After that, it was going to be hard work for them, and we went on about it in a very clinical manner. So well done Bhuvi, well done Duff, well done Hoff, and again, a double wicket maiden doesn't come around often. Well done Duff.
नहीं, काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ता है जब आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस बॉलर हो. भूवी, हेजलवुड और रसिक ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया है. फिर बीच में आके रोमारियो ने बीच में दो तीन मैचेस में अच्छी बॉलिंग करी थी. फिर अभी डफी अच्छा कर रहा है, तो एक ओवरऑल अच्छा है. फिर स्पिनर्स अगर देखें तो बहुत सारे मैचेस में सुयश ने अच्छा किया है, केपी अच्छा कर रहा है, बैट बॉल दोनों से. तो एक अच्छा ओवरऑल टीम परफॉर्मेंस है. बैटिंग यूनिट भी अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छे फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड में है। और बॉलिंग यूनिट पे भी जिस तरह मैं देखता हूँ अपने स्टार्टिंग के 3 बॉलर, मैं डेफिनेटली कह सकता हूँ कि सामने वाली टीम को बहुत प्रेशर रहता है उनको खेलने में, क्योंकि जिस तरह वो अपने प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं और वो कंटिन्यू कंसिस्टेंटली कर रहे हैं। 14 मैच हो गए, 15 मैच हो गए, तो कंसिस्टेंटली कर रहे हैं, तो एक अच्छा साइन है टीम।
We enjoy this today, we celebrate, but we all know that in 4 days' time we have a big day coming up, and let's go out there and have fun, because that's what we have done throughout the season, and I'm sure that when we go out there on that day we'll have fun again.
Kunal, good job. One last one. Just like what they've said, in 4 days' time we have a big game, and I'm sure all of you all will be up for it. But let's make sure we have a lot of fun in the next couple of days. And when we hit the road, when we reach Ahmedabad, we'll focus. But for now, very well done, boys. This is a clinical effort, professional, and I think a 1-2 game in a playoff is always a big game. But we played like champions, and I think we can make it happen. That on the day, 31st May, let's look forward to it and play the same brand of cricket. Well done, Kunal. Good effort of the bat and the ball.
दो मतलब 2 स्टार आ रहा है।